Hi everyone, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is Maniology's Mystery Halloween box. This year's theme is Box of Magic. I'm going to be opening everything in here, showing you each item one by one. I will have all of the links and information down below in the description box, so if you're interested in picking this up for yourself, you can find that there. So this is a big spoiler. If you don't want to know what is in here, you can click off the video now, or you can go to the end of the video where I will have a tutorial using some of the items in here. So this was sent to me by Maniology in order to share with you guys. So I wanted to say thank you to Maniology for sending this my way. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what's inside the box. So right on top here, you get a sticker. This says, "You're full of magic," and a really cute little bunny there. You get your countdown book, which looks like this. And as you open it up, you'll see here number 1, and then they'll have something for you to read, and then you can open up the corresponding item with that. So as you get further into the book, you'll see that they have some inspiration pictures as well as mini tutorials and different information. I'm going to go ahead and set this off to the side so that we can get into what's inside the box. So number 1 starts here. So number 1 is a scraper and stamper set. Number 2 is a plate. Let's go ahead and open that up. Number 3 is this one here. We have a polish. This is called Trickster. It's very beautiful, vibrant green. Number 4, we have a plate. Number 5. Got some gemstones. That's what those look like. Lots of different colors and sizes in there. 6. How cute is that with the little spooky treats? Adorable. I really like the little gesture guy here. Number 7. So we have a pair of tweezers. That's what the point looks like. You can use these to pick up your gemstones and place them. Number 8. We have a stamping polish, this one called Smoke Show. Really pretty gray. Number 9, we have a stamping plate. And that's what that one looks like. So number 10 is this one here. Oh, that's super cute. I like the color on that. You open that up, you have a place to put your plates. So you just slip your plates into the sleeves here and you can keep track of them. We have 11. Another stamping polish. This one is called Charmed, this beautiful purple color. That green and purple together are giving me Disney villain vibes. Very cool color combination this year. And number 12. Oh, we have a mat here. Okay, so we have a tarot card mat. So this you can use to do your nail art on, and this you can stamp directly onto, and it's easy to clean up. So very cool. And then you can of course use the sides here to test out different design ideas. So that's really cool. You can protect your surfaces with this. And the last one, number 13, we have another plate. I love that they give you so many plates. Oh, I think this is my favorite plate. So you got some stars and moons decor and some different mystic items, palm reading. I think this is the plate we're going to use today. So let me go ahead and get everything lined up so you can see everything that was in the box all lined up together. All right, so there's a look at all 13 items that you're getting in this year's box. I'm going to go ahead and clean up, pick a few things from the box so that we can do a manicure, and I'll meet you guys right back for that. Okay, so the plate that we're going to be using today is the M412. And you just want to make sure that you peel off that blue backing. I'm going to be doing some reverse stamping as well as some layering today. So to start off, I'm going to do the reverse stamping first just because that takes some time to set up. So for my outline today, I'm going to be using black, which is the straight up black from Maniology. So the first item I'm going to pick up is just this little crystal ball down here. So that guy right there. And if there's anything on there that you don't want, you can just use a lint roller and to remove that. And I'm just going to set that off to the side. In between each stamping, I'm just going to use a little bit of acetone, this 100% acetone, on a cotton ball, and I'm just going to use that to remove any polish that's on my plate. The next item that I'm going to grab is the three-eyed cat. And again, just go ahead and remove what you don't want. And last, I'm going to do the palms here. But I am going to remove the little bats. Okay, now we have our 3 images here. And we're just going to go ahead and fill those in. So I like to use a dotting tool, but you could also use a thin brush if you prefer. Either one will work. And I'm going to go ahead and use that green and purple. So right on the mat here, I'm just going to go ahead and put a couple dollops of each color. And then using that dotting tool, I'm just going to start filling in. And it'll start looking something like that. And I'm just going to continue on with the other images. Once I have those filled in, I'm just going to set them off to the side. Now bringing back that plate, we're going to go ahead and use the color Magic Hour. And I'm going to be using the stamper that came in the box. So I'm going to use that to add some background. Now going back to that black, I'm going to be picking up this image. And I'm going to place that right on the ring finger. And then using that same image, I'm just going to orient it the other way. Now using some transfer gel, or you could also use sticky base in place of this, I'm going to place that on my thumb, middle, and pinky finger. Alright, once that's cured, I'm going to go ahead and go back to those reverse images that we did, and I'm just going to go ahead and place them right on the nails. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and top coat. Today I'm using this gel top coat, but you could also use a smudge-free top coat, or matte top coat would actually look really nice with this as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, top coat, cure this, finish my other hand off camera, and then I will show you guys the final reveal. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial and unboxing of Maniology's Halloween mystery box. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave those down below. Also, let me know what you guys thought of this year's box. Are you planning on getting it? Some of these items you can get individually. Some of them are exclusive to the box itself. So again, all of that information will be down in the description box. Thank you, Maniology, once more for sending this to me to share with you guys. And as always, thank you for watching.